Welcome to the ultimate dessert experience, where 3 legendary treats become one masterpiece. We start with a classic. Take 300 grams of chocolate sandwich cookies and crush them until they resemble fine sand. Mix in 100 grams of melted unsalted butter to create a rich, cohesive base for our cake. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of your pan and let it chill while we prepare the next layer. For our sponge, whisk 3 large eggs with 150 grams of sugar until the volume triples. Sift in 150 grams of flour and 40 grams of premium cocoa powder to keep the texture light and airy. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. This will be our middle architectural layer. Now for the decadence. Combine 400 grams of cream cheese with 150 grams of melted dark chocolate. Gently fold in 200 milliliters of heavy cream to create a silky, mousse-like consistency. Pour this rich mixture directly onto your chilled Oreo base and smooth it out perfectly. To bring in the tiramisu element, soak our baked sponge cake with a generous amount of strong, fresh espresso. For the top layer, whisk 500 grams of mascarpone cheese with vanilla until soft peaks form. Carefully place the coffee-soaked sponge right on top of the set cheesecake layer. Top everything with that luscious mascarpone cream, spreading it evenly to the edges. Finish with a heavy dusting of dark cocoa powder for that iconic tiramisu look. Decorate with Oreo halves and chocolate shavings to hint at all the layers hidden inside. Let the cake set in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, though overnight is best for the flavors to melt. Look at those layers! The crunchy Oreo, the dense cheesecake, and the airy tiramisu sponge. The combination of textures and chocolate intensities is truly world-class. If you loved this ultimate fusion recipe, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment with your favorite layer, and share this with a fellow chocolate lover.